Hello everyone and welcome to our fourth session of Books and Babies. I'm Maz.
And I'm Liz. Hi and welcome.
Hi. So today we are doing Books and Babies, as we've said, and the aim of Books and Babies is to introduce rhymes and books to your little ones so you can have quality time spending with your little ones and really engaging with them. We always start our sessions with a sing-song, and we start with Twinkle Twinkle, which should be a song that you all know. So when we're ready, okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh.
That was really lovely. Well done, everybody. And the next song we do is Baa Baa Black Sheep, and we do two versions, one for the little boy down the road, and down the lane, and one for the little girl down the lane.
Okay. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane.
Very well done, everyone. Now, for some of you that have been watching the other videos, we do a song now called Glump, and we use lots of facial expressions. So this one's a really good fun one for your little ones. And if you don't know, there's a bit of repetition, so you'll get to know it as we go along.
Yeah.
So,
You ready?
Ready?
Glump went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and the frog went ah. But we know frogs go tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. We know frogs go tra-la-la-la-la. They don't go ah. Went the little pink pig one day. Went the little pink pig. Went the little pink pig one day, and the pig went ah. But we know pigs go shoot-de-doop-de-doo, shoot-de-doop-de-doo, shoot-de-doop-de-doo. We know pigs go shoot-de-doop-de-doo. They don't go ah.
And say, I did tra-la-la, but Liz went shoop, shoop, shoop. Different sounds. It all sounds lovely to your children's ears. And we said as well that we do repeat our songs, and there is a reason behind that. And this is because it helps with the little ones' connections in their brain. So the more that you repeat things, the connections are coming together. And next, we'll have a little look at the books that we've got. So, as we've been making these facial expressions, in the middle of the baby shapes book, we've got 2 faces here, one a big smiley face, and the other one's the one that we've been doing in Glump, where you stick out your tongue. So you can have a look at your babies, give them a great big smile, and stick out your tongue. And at some point they may even copy you in doing that. It's also good for their speech and sort of getting them to know where their tongue is in their mouth as well. Fantastic.
And the last session and this session, we've been reading Bouncing Babies by Helen Oxenbury, and it's in your bookstore pack. So, let's begin. Singing all together,
Running round and round.
bouncy, bouncy, on the bed.
Fall down.
Oh dear. Up and down,
Up in the sky.
swing low, swing high.
Bumpety, bumpety.
Hold on tight
Hush, little babies.
and say good night. That's lovely.
So as we say, we have been repeating our songs, but we're not going to do the same song that we did last week here. We're going to teach you another one. Now, we do repeat in this song as well, so if you're not familiar with it, then by the end of it, you should know what we're singing about. Okay.
This one also helps because you don't want to overstimulate your baby. There's certain times during the day when they really just don't want to be bothered and they've been taking in so much information. So if you can relax yourself, relax your baby, and use this song, that will help them stay off the stress of the day. So you ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Cheek, nose, cheek,
chin,
chin, nose, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, nose, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, nose, and the teddy goes wee. Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, toes, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, toes, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, toes, and the teddy goes wee.
Oh, all of our books have gone wee as well.
Yeah, that can happen too.
It can happen, absolutely.
And as we're talking about books and talking about reading books, it doesn't matter what book you're reading. In fact, you could be sat holding your baby and you could be reading Why Mummy Drinks, which is understandable if you've got a baby and a couple of toddlers running around.
Absolutely.
Your baby doesn't mind what book you read to him or her. She's just happy to be close to you, hearing the sound of your voice and listening to what's going on around. So order your book as well.
And if you haven't popped into the library, then you're more than welcome to pop in and we can help you to get together your Books and Babies pack. Do come and see us. Thank you very much.
And just call any of our branches, any staff in all of our branches are happy to take your call and get an order ready for you to collect. Okay.
That's great. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.